Fight in grass? I mean, do I work with Spring Boot? I do not. JavaScript frameworks typically. Welcome dog. Flex and React. Flask is a rap. Bro, I don't know about this. I'm gonna have to put it down. Have I tried this PHP framework? I have not. Is that real? I'm not gonna Google it. Play some Fred again? I don't think I can, bro. This shit's copyright. I can play my own created. Oh shit, I got my head here. That's sick. Alright, hold up. Oh my god, this is a mess. We good. Alright. Okay, so let me show you guys on my Discord. Shout out to... Who was it? I think it was a showcase. Showcase? No. It was this person, F. Shout out to F in my Discord. They posted this video. When did they post it? On April 21st. Yo, New Zealand? Matrix. Good to see you. Long time no see. But yeah, shout out to F in my Discord. They posted this video. Guess if you can guess what it is. Wait, is this? I could tell it looked very much like an AI generated PS2 LoRa, but it also looks like GTA, but obviously there's no GTA that looks like this. But what gave it away was the mini map down the bottom right. I think you guys can see it. That's a GTA 5 mini map. So they've uploaded a GTA 5 gameplay, and then they put the PS2 LoRa on it to turn it into PS2 graphics. I thought that shit was so cool. I've always wanted to make PS2 graphic videos, so I was like, how did you make it? Explain yourself. And then they said they eventually got back to me after like a day. No, same day. GTA with PS2 LoRa on Animate Diff took like 1.5 hours on a T4 Cloud GPU. So I'm like, oh, what did they use? He said they used this tutorial, and you can run, this is the alpha. Shout out to F for telling us this. You can run comfyui on Kaggle notebook for 30 hours a week for free. That's amazing. So if it only took him 1.5 hours to make that GTA video, we could have made like 15 of those, or I don't know, that's probably bad math, but you know, at least 10. So I'm like, shit, let's try to do that on stream. Planet Gadgetron says, old game consoles and abandoned hardware should be released open source. Yeah, well, it's slowly becoming like that. Like you saw Apple now allows emulation. Amine, thank you for the follow. I'll actually move the alerts a bit down. Channel Rex, thank you for the follow. Matrix says, I want to try 5.3. Did you test it already? I have not. I don't really have a use for a model that small. Sal, thank you for the sub. But it could definitely be good on like running it on mobile devices or something. But yeah, me personally, I don't really have a use for it at the moment. Alfonso, thank you for the sub. I think at the start of the stream, like all the subs from like the past, I don't know, like day, just all come in a wave at the start. Yeah, see? Programmer Gamble. I don't think these guys are actually subbing right now. It's just subbed from a while. Lakesh, love from India. Hello, thank you. Good to see some Indian representatives in the chat. I'm gonna get my Twitch watching myself, so I don't know, does that boost the numbers? Manuel, thank you for the sub. Alright, that's good. With any downloads? Say ye, thank you for the follow. Okay, so let's see how we can get comfyui on Kaggle. And also, this, Olao, thank you for the sub. Okay, so they host notebooks for you, similar to Google Colab notebooks. Essentially, they give you their own cloud hardware infrastructure for you to run Python code. Danish, thank you for the sub. So that's really cool. Looks like they have templates for comfyui, which is really good too. So, oh, and this is how they download the models. Louis, thank you for the sub. Chat with your own files. I tried Mistral 7b with anything LM to vectorize my data. It's fast enough. Do you recommend something else for chat with files? Oh yeah, so what are you using to run your model? So I had it on this stream. I saw this RAG cookbook for llama. So if you're using llama, you can do local RAG with llama and PG vector using this cookbook. Yeah, personally I haven't used anything. I've heard RTX chat is one, and OpenAI just enabled you to chat with like 10,000 files. So that's obviously another one, which would probably be pretty mature. But personally, yeah, I haven't really used any of these like RAG systems, locally at least. Wakash says, I have a challenge for you. If you can make it in the live stream, I want to see you create Jarvis in real life with llama3 and Open Interpreter for automation. All should be free. Challenge, hashtag challenge from India. What are the features in Jarvis? I probably can't do it this stream, but I'll take it into consideration for next time. Because I really want to try get this kaggle thing working, so F said they use this animate diff tutorial, which looks pretty promising. Let's see, do they have their workflow? These are the models, so many different models. Settings files, I guess it's this. It's the workflow, yes. Animate diff workflow. Well, you gotta pay for it? Bro, that is so dog. That is so dog. What the hell? Not giving you workflow for free? Oh, we use this big workflow if you're having troubles with IP adapter. Okay, so he's got one base workflow, but it doesn't have the actual IP adapter workflow, it seems. Pretty annoying. Cataclysm says tasking AI is pretty good. Is that a local chat with files? Open source platform for native AI application development. What does that mean? Oh, it's literally like the OpenAI assistant, but open source. That's pretty cool. That is really cool. What kind of architecture? So yes, okay, so yeah, it has a PG vector. This could actually be really good too for chatting with files. Ben says not the best. What is the best, Ben? I'd like to hear your opinion. Loke says no, you can only do normal thing conversation with llama3, and for automation you can use open interpreter where you are master. Yes. It's a framework, yeah, and it works with Llama and LM Studio. Can use tools and web search. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'll definitely check this out, man. Thanks for the suggestion. Someone's already suggested it before, apparently, because this was purple. But yeah, so let me put it in my stream backlog. So many model plus chat with files plus web search. Is it, how do we run it? Let me have a look. If it's Docker, I'm gonna be a bit annoyed. I understand. It is Docker. That's fine. I need to eventually do Docker. Quick start with Docker. Oh, you can also do it with... Yeah, I mean, Docker makes a lot of sense. I've like avoided installing Docker because I know you have to like restart your computer to get it working. And yeah, that's why I need to do it while I'm off stream, but I will do it eventually. All right, let me see. Can I find a kaggle animate diff kaggle text to video. What about like video to animation? Just text to video. What was the other one? He said there's another thing. Oh, he's got the notebook. Oh, legend, dude. Shout out to F. I'm gonna start making a new role. I'm gonna call it like OGs or like people that have shared really cool shit, and then give it to people like F. And like, there's been a bunch of people on my Discord that have shared really awesome stuff, and they need to be recognized for it. This is another video that F made of like a train station using this PS2 thing. I just think this shit is so cool. Like for a music video, I think it would be really good for a music video. Hey Ron, what's up, man? Thanks for following. There's a YouTube channel for tasking AI also. Oh, sweet. Nice. Looks like you guys use this. I need to fix this camera. It keeps going to the left. No, I can see it moving. Hold on. Right, Crew AI. Yeah, Crew AI is definitely something I need to do as well. I want to have a really good use case that I would actually want myself, and unfortunately I don't have that at the moment. So that's like kind of one reason why I'm not doing Crew AI. Okay, so this is the Kaggle notebook. Excellent. Wait, did I already download that? I think I did. Yes, I did. And then that's the workflow. Wow, this F guy is great. He's given us everything we need. So I'm gonna just try to do this Kaggle thing. Let's see how it works. Oh, also, I am sponsored by Wizard Shot for this stream. So Wizard Shot is an like AI assisted tutorial creation. It's a Chrome extension that you just install, and it records all the actions you takes all the actions you take, and makes a nice document tutorial of like everything you click, step by step, how to do something. And I think it's free.
This is Bob. He's not lazy. He's just he hates making tutorials for his team.
Anyway, so I'm gonna try it out while I make this Kaggle notebook. So it's easy as just clicking the extension. You don't even have to log in or sign up initially, it seems. I can just start capturing, and then it'll start capturing. So we'll make a tutorial on how I made this Kaggle notebook. So I guess I'm gonna click new notebook, but it'll probably make me want to sign up first. No, it won't. Now, how can I import a notebook? Notebook. Because I have a... Oh, here we go. File, import notebook. And we're gonna just use the one that we got off Discord, which I will provide somewhere. Oh, you can do it from GitHub. That's really cool. I'll provide my GitHub if I get it working. Right now, what AI do you think is the best to do software engineering? I think it's Lazy AI, Pythagora GPT Pilot, or GPT Engineer. Probably one of those three. They all have their like unique advantages and disadvantages. Cataclysm says, is that stream diffusion? What's stream diffusion? Lokesh says, can I join your Discord? Yes, anyone is allowed to join my Discord. The link is in my link tree, which should be on all social media platforms in my bio. Crew AI, you can use self-correction and self-learning, self-improving AI. Yeah, that's so cool. I think Crew AI definitely seems like one of the best like agent orchestration frameworks. Okay, so we've got this comfyui notebook. Now, let's see how it works. Installation loads the checkpoints. Oh, and all the models are just here. That's awesome. Even the PS1. Dude, shout out to K, man. They are such a legend. And then you start the web UI. What about the JSON file for the comfyui? Is that on here? Where do I see the files? Output? I don't know. We'll just run this and see what happens. So first, we just run the installation cell. And we're gonna pause the tutorial because this will take a while, and then downloading all these models will also take a long time. The PS2 covered vid. Oh, is it stream diffusion? It's... I'm actually not sure what stream diffusion is. I think it's I don't think it's stream diffusion. It's just comfyui with instant ID, PS1 LoRa, Dreamshaper, SDXL, and a bunch of other models. Okay, we have an error. Unterminated string in cell 1. Kaggle models checkpoint. What? Unterminated string? Like terminated? What is comfyui? Comfyui is like a graphical user interface for configuring like image generation. It looks kind of like this. It's like a bunch of nodes linked to each other, and you can change parameters and stuff to create images. Bro, it's Open Interpreter even working without OpenAI? Yeah, I've made it work with Grok and LM Studio. check out my videos on YouTube, unless you already have. And then I'm not sure. Definitely worked for me with the API base. comfyui is so complex. It can be really complex, but you could also have a more simple workflow as well. Doesn't have to be really complex. Let me try debug this. I'm not sure what the issue is here. Unterminated string. Should I just change these characters to string characters? I don't even know if it's this line. Try that one more time. Running into comfyui. Okay, so it's doing the clone. Cataclysm says, yeah, Open Interpreter got me mad. I feel like I ordered that dongle for no reason. Good thing I got the Rabbit R1. Oh, nice. You got the Rabbit R1? Hell yeah. How is it? Unable to access comfyui. Could not resolve GitHub. What? No such file or directory comfyui. Okay, so the git clone didn't work this time because of an issue accessing the comfyui, the GitHub. That is so silly. Hold on, am I meant to run this? What is this? There's literally nothing in here. Try that one more time. Do you know Devon has been released? I don't think that's true. Let me have a look. I don't think that's true, dude. Waiting for it in the mail. They nerfed teach mode on release. Oh, interesting. The hell? Could not resolve GitHub. Alright, I don't want to spend too long debugging this, so let's see why kaggle could not resolve GitHub. Go to the settings and turn internet on. Okay, let's resume this. We've got to go to the settings on the right. Where's settings? Settings. I've never used a kaggle notebook, by the way. Keeps adding all these steps, but where's settings section, right side, and turn internet on. Settings section. Session options, environment, Python. Oh, turn on. Okay, so you need to be logged in. Let's restart this. We're gonna have to add logging in into the notebook. So yeah, so we just turn on start capturing. We'll just capture now. Whoops. Register. I'll register with Google. We'll pause this to not show all of this stuff. Lokesh says, I've seen a YouTube video that shows Devon AI. Yeah, there's demos from various people, but there's no like official release. Okay. Resume here. New notebook. And then we're gonna go file, import notebook. Gonna just drag the UI kaggle here, import. There we go. It's already here. And then on the right side here, is the variables and files. And how do we add the internet? Oh, we need to get phone verified. That's so annoying. All right, let's see if I can do this. Okay, that seemed to work. Okay. All right, here we go. Internet on. Now it should work. Let's run that again. Oh, I could have pressed run all. I should have probably done that. Okay, says, I think Devin is fake. If you observe the video, you'll see timing there's 5 hours delay. That doesn't mean it's fake, that just means it takes 5 hours and it's very expensive. From input to response on a simple task and multiple inputs were given. Yep, that's true. Yeah, we've seen the debunked video. We've gone through it. I don't think it's fake, but yeah, obviously, just like any demo, they just kind of fabricate it and do smoke and mirrors to make it look a lot better than it actually is. And they've debunked the Sora demo as well. Okay, so that bit was really fast. We've cloned everything and I think installed all the dependencies. Oh no, it's still going. But I think this next step of getting all the models will take a little while. So we'll move on to the AI news once we get to that step. This is still going though. Can you recreate the Gemini fake video? Yeah, sure, with enough work. I think AI Jason on YouTube has already done that. Yo, Beej, what's up? I'm trying to create a Kaggle notebook to create PS2 style videos for free. So shout out, I'll show you this video again. Shout out to F in my Discord. They put a bunch of videos on how they've made PS2 style kind of video filters on their own videos. And you can run this for free in Kaggle, in a Kaggle notebook. And he's given all the files and stuff, so I'm just making a tutorial on how to do that. And yeah, while we wait for that, we will be checking out some other stuff. So I'm gonna pause this and we can check some of the other stuff. One thing I wanted to show you guys was Rabbit security. So people are saying that Rabbit could be unsecure because of the way that it stores your username and password. I don't know how legit it is. I don't want to spread too much FUD, but it's just like interesting to be aware of it. Let me try find the post. Rabbit R1 Tel Aviv. Why are there no how do I search post? Can you not search posts in Twitter? Maybe I saved it. Come on, did I save it? Did not. Rabbit R1 security issues being discussed. Yeah, here we go. This is the one I first saw. So by Benjamin, it says Rabbit has them give you all your username and passwords for the accounts. They promise not to store these files, but hand off your credentials to a Tel Aviv, Israel firm named Piano. And I don't know, there's like not much information on this firm, Piano. I don't know, what do you guys think about that? Yeah, he addressed it and said it's fake news. No, that was about the code leak. He said the code leak was fake news, but he definitely says that the credentials is legit. So we provide you with a box. We search for certain states we can use to restore your session, encrypt them for storage in privacy vaults of our partner Piano. So I think that's like, they're gonna have to do this anyway, right? Like, it's not like they're storing your actual username and password. They're storing like your cookie, your session cookie, and that's encrypted. But I don't know who this Piano firm is though. There's no other way around it. Like, if they want to keep reusing your login session, they're gonna have to store that cookie somewhere. But this guy kind of makes it out as in they're logging your username and password, whereas that's a bit FUD. That's kind of not exactly true. Let's see what some other people have said. This is extremely bad. I've worked on off trust systems for 4 years every day. You trigger off code I wrote, like when you redeem a Sonic Burger coupon and when you log into transferring trust between systems in a way doesn't endanger users is something I'm extremely autistic about. What Rabbit is doing is irresponsible. You see, he made a whole stream about why. I just want dot points. This guy, like, I guess goes into super detail. What's dingboard? An image editing in your browser. Okay. I guess that's what he was showing. Can you see my comment? I've seen the video, but it's GPT-4 that's not free. So what I think is you can do like 60 frames stacked up on top of each other and send one big image to Gemini with a special prompt. Yeah, you could do that, or you don't have to send every single frame. You could send every, like, you know, 60 frames or whatever. Okay, let me do the next step on this. After that's done. Okay, this will probably take a while downloading all the models. Oh no, it's pretty fast, damn. 230 megabytes a second. Pretty good. Still probably will take about an hour to download these models. Meanwhile, let me just try find some more points on this juicy R1 gossip. Sponsors of VMing might as well they store user sessions on their machines. Apparently they give it to. Okay, not much else new. Okay, this guy's saying screw security. My main problem is that it doesn't have a physical rabbit ears. Okay. The answer the security. Alright, well, that's it. I don't want to go too deep into it, but that's just something I heard. Yeah, I understand it could be 60 frames all stacked together into one image. Yeah, who knows? It's definitely many different ways to architect a system like that. Beach says, what's your day job? I do a bit of tech consulting and software development. Beach says, session cookie will eventually time out, so they must store username and password. Yeah, that's a very good point as well. It times out though if you don't keep using the service and refreshing. Like, for instance, unless it's OpenAI, which makes you put your password in freaking like every week, it seems. But for something like Facebook, right, if you just keep using the app every day, you don't have to keep putting in your username and password. They like refresh the validity of your token. So I assume it'd be the same with Rabbit. Like as long as you keep using the service, the token, it'll stay active. Veggie, thank you for the follow. Did I see llamaFile got some speed improvements? I did see the llamaFile. Yeah. I think it's just for CPU though. Yeah, I'll show you guys. llamaFile just released llamaFile 0.8 yesterday. And they say that the llamaFile goes 2 times faster than llama CPP and 25 times faster than ollama for some use cases, like CPU prompt evaluation, which I don't even think that I use most of the time. Like, I'm pretty sure I do most of my stuff on GPU, but 25 times faster is ridiculous. Yeah, also faster on Raspberry Pi, Skylake, Apple M2. So yeah, that's crazy. I'm a big fan of llamaFile. I'm pretty much like trying to stop using ollama and LM Studio and use llamaFile a lot of the time. Beach says, isn't Rabbit R1 just RPA on roids? Yeah, they pretty much have something like RPA running on a VM that you interface through a hardware device. Solo, what's up, man? Damn, did it download all the models? Shit, okay. Looks like Kaggle, we've downloaded all the models. So that was Rabbit R1 security. Let's go back to trying to make this PS2 video with Kaggle. Okay, so we've downloaded everything we need. Now we can just run the web UI. Why is this? Okay, there's apparently run after. Apparently we still need to do a, oh shit. Shit, hold on. Go on Discord VC, let's talk, please, bruh. After this, man, come on. I'm in the middle of this. But yes, I will give you your spotlight after this. What happened? Authentication is coming. Traceback, Kaggle main.py. Torch not compiled with CUDA enabled. Okay. I don't know if that's an actual error. It seems like it's still running. Wait, has it hosted? What is it doing? Make dear SSH, keygen, comfyui, remote po. Remote mo. What the hell is that? Is this it? Is this the UI? Let's see. No. Connect failed. Looks like we have an issue with CUDA. Where did we install that? Let's try to restart this. Saluj, what are we working on? I'm trying to run a Kaggle notebook which does a PS2 style image filter on videos. We're having an issue with Torch not compiled with CUDA enabled. Oh, maybe set GPU on T4. Or if that'll help. Two T4. It's pretty cool. Next stream or this one? Yeah, this one, Salah. Just give me like 20 minutes max. Briefast, how? Briefast? The Briefast Jones? I'm doing well. I'm trying to make PS2 filter on videos using a Kaggle notebook while making a tutorial on it. We had one issue before with CUDA, but we're running it again. Haven't seen any logs yet. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. What is this? I'd expect to see some logs. Diep is having a bug. What's your bug, Diep? Alright, well, while this is going, I'll go on. I actually didn't adjust the title of this stream, which is llama3 8B instruct 262k. So if you guys were around when llama3 first came out, it actually only had like an 8k context window. But now they've made it, well, I think, was it Gradient AI who's done this? Now there's a llama 8B version, llama3 8B version that has a 262k context window. That's like, what is that? 50 times as big as the original. Yeah, from 8k to 162k and 160. Oh, but it also said 200. I don't know. Which is so cool. Like 260 is a lot. Like some of the biggest models have 260. Like Claude Opus is only 260. I think GPT-4 is only like 180. So the fact that, why does this keep adding steps? Oh, yeah. It's just so cool. I won't be testing it this stream, but you guys should know, like, this is probably one of the most capable models now. Llama 3 8B, well, in this small model range of like the 7B models, like 262k context is great. Salah says, can I showcase my app and have feedback tomorrow? Night for me, day for you. I think Saturday for you. I'm not sure if I'll be streaming tomorrow, but maybe Sunday, the day after. Samo says, have you tried llama 3 with Open Interpreter? There's a llama 3? I haven't had time to see how handle vision. No, I haven't. I didn't even know there was a vision version of Phi. That's pretty cool. In my experience though, all the open source models with Open Interpreter do not work well at all. So I'd assume, okay, this is kind of stuck. I'm gonna try restart this. Oh shit. No. Yeah. How do I clear this cell? Delete cell. Okay. This is stuck. What if I refresh this? Changes may not be saved. I don't like the sound of that. Why is it stuck, bro? Okay, well, I don't want to spend too long on this. I'll come back to this later. Sala, are you still here? Do you wanna talk now? Like you're in the lounge. We're gonna give Sala his spotlight to talk. Actually, before that, let's check this tutorial. Car prediction. Oh, that's because it was accidentally on that. But yeah, this is a really cool tutorial on how we can, yeah. So once I'm finished with this PS2 thing, I can give someone the tutorial on exactly what to press in this document format. That's really cool. All right, Sala. Your time to shine. Let me update the stream. Sala shows his app. Let's go. You got 10 minutes starting now.
What's
Yo.
up? Yo, let
What's
me
up?
put my headphones first. Let me put my headphones.
All right.
So it's gonna echo.
Oh, I didn't release their model. I'm not sure if they even have a model. They released like their point model, which is like more of an algorithm rather than like an actual compiled model. I think that's what they use, and they just use like GPT-4 vision.
Hello?
Yo. Yo.
What's up?
Watch, man. Show us what you got.
No. Next stream. I'm almost
Next
done.
stream? Then why'd you say join the VC?
No. Just talk, you know?
Man.
You're from Australia?
Yo.
Oh.
Are you disappointed in that?
1 a.m. for me.
Yeah, bro. I'm sorry.
So my app was just is gonna help students study by taking notes with the audio file. You just plug in audio file or press live recording or any kind like a YouTube link, and it'll turn it into any kind of notes.
Uh-huh.
It will have a research feature where you just ask about what you want to research about, and then it's gonna make a whole study guide on it. And it's gonna have like cheating tools like generating essays, undetectable essays, and articles, and it'll have Gemini 1.5 Pro as its AI. That's gonna be the AI that's gonna be running everything.
Nice.
it's gonna solve any problem too. Like you just put it on the chat box and upload it. It'll solve anything. I already used it. It works great. But
Wait, man, looking forward to it. Maybe Sunday.
and I'm building all of Bubble.
Oh, really? No code.
Yeah, I don't even know a single line of coding.
Excellent, man. That's so cool. Yeah, I've heard Bubble's really good.
Should I learn it or something?
Coding? Nah, don't worry.
Yeah.
If you're doing it without it, why would you need to?
I heard there's no AI software engineers, so what if I made one? I'll make billions of dollars.
Yeah, man.
AI is a scam.
Let's see what you can do.
I don't know.
Alright, bro. I'll leave you to it. Get some sleep. We'll chat later.
Nah, I stay up till 3 a.m.
Alright, well, just show us your app then. Or is it not ready yet?
It's not ready.
Okay. Well, let me know.
Alright. When's the next stream?
I think Sunday.
Sunday? This time?
Yeah. Yeah, probably around like this time, maybe an hour ago. So it'll be like midnight for you. Alright, man.
Okay.
Take it easy. Bye. Alright, damn, we didn't get to see Solo's app. Maybe next time. Okay, so hold on. Back to the R1 security thing. I came across this service, anon.com, which kind of claims to take care of the authentication for you. And they work with Multion. Where is that? Oh, did they remove that? Yeah, they work with Multion, which is like the best browser kind of automation thing I've seen. And it's like a way that you can use it with like Playwright or Puppeteer or Selenium or whatever. You just run their SDK and it like has your authentication sessions in it. That's pretty interesting because this is obviously a big like point that we need to fix. If we have these autonomous agents that are taking actions on our behalf, we need some way for them to use our authentication session in a secure way, and that's kind of what Anon is trying to address, and Rabbit is kind of doing as well. Fig says, I thought I saw somewhere that they were going to be releasing a model fine-tuned for O1 and OI. Yeah, no, you're right. That Killian did say that they had a model running offline that could do the vision stuff. But I think it's not actually a model. They're using like OCR libraries like PyTesseract and stuff. Actually, it also clicked on icons. I'm not sure. But like, I definitely know that they haven't released any actual model. Alright, Sala, thank you. Cataclysm says, you're going to put that in Clickerless Cage? Yeah, we definitely... Well, no, here's the thing. The reason I made Clickerless Cage in the first place as a Chrome extension is Chrome already has all your session data. So you don't need to store any session data anywhere on any system. It's all just on the same computer that it always was in the same browser. And that was my whole like point why it needs to be a Chrome extension, is because all your session data is there. You don't need to log in through Playwright or anything. Where's your rubber duck? I don't have one. The chat is my rubber duck. Tips for grasping object-oriented programming. Just practice, quiz. Learn a little bit. Learn like 40%, but implement and active recall 60%. Just like learning anything. Create your own kind of like mini apps using OOP. Okay, that was anon.com. Alright, filmora. And then we'll finish off with some lazy AI. So I currently use Adobe Premiere. and the Adobe suite, and it's so expensive, man. It's like $70 Australian a month. Oh, more. They've increased it. 88 Australian dollars a month. It's just so expensive. So I'm gonna try Filmora. They have a free plan, and eventually it's only like $80 a year. But this is just for video editing. Yeah, $50 US a year, which is about 75 Australian a year. And they have a lot of features. AI copilot editing, AI text-based editing, music generator, text to video, vocal remover, thumbnail creator, copywriting. These are just the AI features. They have other like normal video editing features as well. I think a big one that I'll really like is like the silence removal, AI smart masking. Yeah, I think it'll be really cool. Split screen 3D light. Like, look at all these features: motion tracking, color correction, audio beat sync, auto sync, audio ducking. Do they do captions? Captions is a big one that I'd want. Still very cool. And you can try it for free. What are you guys saying? I've been using tkinter Python lately. Can't do any JS. It's too hard for me. Oh, that's just at the start, man. The more practice you get, the better you'll be. Have I seen Athena Intelligence AI? I haven't. What's that one? Do you usually do those VCs listening to people's startup idea? No, I never do that. Mo, thanks for sharing the live. Why not DaVinci Studio? Let's look at the features on DaVinci Studio. I think I tried DaVinci Studio once. It just didn't have some of the features I want. This is stereoscopic. DaVinci is free, hey, so that's definitely a big proponent. I think DaVinci is really good for like color correction and stuff. That's not really my focus. I'm more into like just like quick editing for TikTok, so I need like the caption creation and stuff. And like if they have automatic removing of like ums and ahs, I really want that one as well. The masking is also awesome. Like if we can get automatic masking, like check this out, they just kind of draw on the human and it automatically masks them out. Because if you've seen my TikToks, I kind of use this because I have a green screen. But if I didn't need the green screen, if I had the auto masking, that would be really sick too. And that's definitely possible with today's tech. It's just that masking on Premiere is a bit annoying. It's not really automatic like this is. So that's kind of one reason why I would use Filmora. Any open source API like Whisper AI that's close to its performance? Open source API? Yo, who's this? Also him. Thank you for the follow. Why is this? Okay. Hey yo, Mixtrul also. I'm not sure about an API that's like Whisper. There are a bunch of open source transcription models, but I'm not sure about a hosted API. And like if it's hosted, why do you care if it's open source? Nasser says, thank you for your amazing work. I've been following you for a while. Oh, thank you, Nasser, for your amazing comment. Free? What free? Filmora? No, it's got a free trial, but you have to pay. But it's pretty cheap. It was like $50 a year. We have Grok plus llama3. Yeah, it's so fast. It's amazing. Maybe not open source, but yeah, Whisper is really expensive. Okay, sure. Let's have a look. Speech to text API pricing comparison. You want it for speech to text? Sure, there's a lot. I don't know. Yeah. Is this published on the 1st of the 9th? Okay, that's kind of relevant. US isn't even on this. There's so many, I'm not sure which ones. Which one's the best? Google speech to text could be a lot faster. I mean, cheaper. 36, 24, 35. I'm not sure, man. It's probably a lot. Well, I like to do like search with Reddit in the title, cheaper than Whisper. And then you put Reddit, and then you get actual like people talking. Here we go. Here. No. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, I couldn't find an answer. Am I Persian? Yes, good guess. Remark, great content. Thank you, bro. Can movement translate into text? Yeah, theoretically, although I don't know any services that provide that, but yeah, you could definitely have an AI model that can turn movement into text if you train it. It's definitely possible. Whisper is the most accurate? Yeah, I know Whisper is really good. Like all of OpenAI's models are like definitely state of the art. Mixtral is open source. Yeah, but Mixtral isn't a speech to text model. It's just a large language model. What are you talking about? Also from Discord, Mixtral is open source. Yeah, I know Mixtral is open source, but he also an alternative for Whisper. Whisper is a speech to text model. Mixtral is a large language model. Big distinction here. What's this? Case figs. Cognosis to rapidly experiment and integrate LLM agents. Is this a video? Text to speech and speech to text. Write new agents by dropping a simple TS. Like an agent UI? Oh, fuck yeah.
Apex to fix a bug that one of my friends on Twitter found, which is that I had my 11 Labs API key leaked, and so it was just pushed to the code repository. Already rotated it. Thank you very much. So let's just.
What's the best open source LLM? I think at the moment it's either llama3 or Wizard LM. Wizard ML.
Fix this. We're going to manually just use context this time because we know exactly where
you can use Whisper offline, yep. Yeah, you can use Whisper offline. But I don't know, he asked for an API, so I assume his computer's not good enough.
Agents / agent.
I tried the Tesla one. No, what's that? Oh, Grok? Yeah. I've tried Grok. With a K.
API key into .env. And of course, you know, this is not going to come to a surprise. We'll give you exactly what kind of GPT-4 or Claude generation you would do, which, you know, explain what it's doing, give some code snippets.
Okay.
And then all we need to do here is /w, and we can give /w alone, or we can give it some instructions. Last time I did this, I was slightly confused about pathing, so I'm just going to say write to...
oh, and it does the edits for you? This is pretty cool. Yeah, I haven't heard about this, Figs. Thanks for sharing it.
Agent.ts. There we go. Now we wait a few seconds and it'll be complete.
So we got a new software engineering agent framework.
All right.
Shout out to Matt Boosigan. Wait, he's not even the creator, he just shared it. Shout out to Abraz Mahmood. Who's Matt though? Matt is former CTO at Ollie and a CTO at TriSecure. Built the first LLM application platform, Cognosis. Damn, okay. That's pretty impressive. He vouches for Cognosis 2. Okay, so this is the... Oh, he is the contributor. Okay, never mind. Sorry for discrediting him a little bit. Wow, this is super low key. It only has 2 stars. Is this the same people that hosted? I don't know. Real-time code integration. Does it have web browsing though? Chat session, agent, query planner, database, chat window, no web browsing. Okay, that's cool. So another star this. Can we use llama3 for business? Yeah, I think so. It's like MIT license or whatever. Oh yeah, that's a good point. Cataclysm says you can run Whisper on Kaggle. That way you don't even have to pay and you don't have to host it locally. Nicholas, thank you for the follow. Lepron from Indonesia, hello. Thanks for joining. When you saw it, it had 2 stars on GitHub, damn. What LLM transcribes audio to text? Whisper is one of the best well-known ones. There's also real-time TTS. Wait, no, STT. Real-time STT. I think these ones are pretty... By the same guy, Kolja B. Real-time TTS. He also has a real-time STT. I think this has a model. Oh, it's just a library. Actually, no, it's not a model, is it? Yeah, okay, it's just faster Whisper. But yeah, I think pretty much Whisper is like the state-of-the-art speech to text. Are you live on Insta as well? No, I'm not on Instagram. Unfortunately with Instagram, I can only go live vertically, so I never really go live on Instagram. So I want to see how to unlock GPT. I got a prompt. I also have Chat GPT Bible 10 books. Nice. Friends. Oh. Got a different error with Kaggle. Let's see if I can connect to comfyui. No. No module name EINOPS. Okay, let's see if I can add another code block then. Call, how do we do pip install EINOPS? Wait, I can just install that. Let me play AI with you. How do you mean, Nick? Try this again. Good vibes, yeah. You vibing. Oh shit, I think it worked. Do we have... No. Dude, why are all these things not installed? Wait, oh, it could be because I don't have a requirements text. How do I see the local files? Okay, it's definitely not in the left bar. Input, output. What about... requirements.txt, bro. Files? delete this cell. Bro, where? Who's used Kaggle notebook? Are these the files? Are these all the files? Am I missing I think I'm missing a requirements.txt, huh? Right, whatever. We'll just install all the dependencies one by one. Torch SDE. It's gonna be so annoying. Wait. Might be an easier way. Was it this guy's tutorial guide? Hmm. Okay. Guess we're just gonna have to install these one by one. I don't know. Is there a better way? I don't know what packages we need. Oh shit, it looks like it's working. I run it? Load some more. Oh shit, it worked. Yes. We got comfyui. Okay, we got comfyui running on what do you call this thing? Kaggle. That's good. That's kind of step one. Let me start capturing again. Now we need what do we need? Okay, I guess we install whatever this model is. But we need to stop that. How? Install that model. And we also need the comfyui workflow. Wait, run after installing or folder doesn't create, so it doesn't download? Kaggle working comfyui constantly. I guess I need. Can I create files here? No. Bro, where is the file manager? I don't understand. Hold on. I think we can do it here. If I hold on. How do I add another? Insert below or something. Merge cells. Paste cells below. Oh, here. Hold on. Add cell. Yes, okay. What if I could just go ls? Okay, cool. Let's try add this. Add this directory. Make dir. Okay, let's try to make that directory. So browser recorder you're using? I'm using wait, what was it called? Wizard Shot? Yeah, Wizard Shot. It's free. Free Chrome extension. Check my Discord. What'd you post? Good stuff. Oh, it's also him. What's this? What is this? Oh, Scripty. Oh, it's your books? Unlocking the potential of ChatGPT. Nice. Cannot create directory, no such file. Okay. Guess we need to create them one by one. Let's try create that one. Okay, that seemed to work. And then create models. Oops. Okay, now can we download this? Yes. Okay. Now how do we load the... Bro, I wish I could upload file. Upload input, upload dataset, upload model. GitHub. Oh, actually, I just realized you don't need to upload the workflow. You can just import it from comfyui. So run that again. You want Canva Enterprise for free? No, that's okay. Mustafa, thank you for the rose. Have you ever heard of Julius AI? It sounds familiar, but I'm not sure. What's that again? All right, here we go. comfyui, hosted on Kaggle on 2 T4s. And then we load the... Is this the workflow? DFS? Let's see. What was it called? DFS. Okay, yes, that is it. All right, we're missing a lot of nodes, but we know how to handle this. Okay, so this is the workflow for the custom node directly is being updated. Okay, I'm going to install all these custom nodes. Do we have to wait for them? I'm saying it's installing the other ones. Do we get to see logs? Oh. Close. You can just... Refresh. I hope that doesn't mess things up. Oh no. Probably should have waited. Let's just save that. I wonder if do all my notebooks get saved from Wizard Shut? Surely. We have to sign up to save them all. Oh, I think I'm lagging here. Oh shit, it was downloading. Did it finish? No. Whoops. Shouldn't have refreshed. Actually, it shouldn't matter. Okay, you download all the things. I probably won't go in it. I'll do it offline because I think it'll just take too long and not be very interesting. And I think I'm going to move on to trying to install authentication. Trying to implement authentication on my lazy AI app. So let's go get lazy AI. Bring that to the side. Let me tell people on the Discord that I'm streaming. Where are we? Streaming, trying to implement user auth through email link on my lazy app. youtube.com/lazy tech friend. I wonder if this works. Previously they like blocked my links, but I think they said I could add links now. Let's see. Yo, Paul, did stream just start? No, we're about how long are we in? An hour 15 in. You haven't discovered lazy AI yet? No, I'm really loving it. Yeah, you get to see it. This. Oh, damn it! It still blocked my links. Wonder if I can post it somewhere else. Promote yourself. Promote yourself. Let's see, promote myself. So that's the only other place I could put it. Damn it, lazy admin bot, whatever. Or I could just say, I'll just do it. Actually, you can see it on my Alright, there we go. We'll just do plain text. That's fine. Okay. So, let me show you the app, what it currently looks like. It's very simple. Yo, Enrico, what's up? Hi from San Diego. Nice. Is that where you normally are? Got notifs on. Let's go, Paul. This is it. You can just turn a YouTube video into MP3. I also had MP4 and transcription before, but they weren't working. Well, the MP4 wasn't working too well, so I removed that. And transcription uses my OpenAI key, which costs money, so I've removed that temporarily. I want to add user authentication so that people can eventually start paying to use the advanced features like transcription and timestamp generation and summary generation. That is the plan, and we're going to get into it. Okay. So previously, I guess I removed it. Does this still have? So I'm gonna first say to add a nav bar up the top. Add a basic nav bar. Remove the existing title and put one in the nav bar. So just like that, you can just type basic natural language commands to lazy AI and it works on your app. You can make full stack apps with it. This one is a Flask web app. Yeah, so Flask is built in Python. So yeah. AI Web Tools says, any idea how to monetize GPTs? I don't think there's a good way at the moment. You could have it use an external API that the user needs to pay for to be able to have the GPT use the external API. That's one way. But OpenAI said they'll be doing revenue sharing, but I guess they haven't started that yet. Does lazy AI have versioning? It does have the ability to recover the previous versions and view previous versions, which is really useful because I've used that feature so many times, but it doesn't seem like they have a way to kind of branch and go back forward as far as I'm aware. Maybe there is. I haven't discovered that part yet. Yes, this is home. Nice. Sunny San Diego. Beautiful. Yeah, so we're just waiting for lazy to do this. Can be a little slow sometimes. Sometimes it's really fast in making its changes as well. Yeah, there we go. No, it looked like it finished, but I guess it's Still doing stuff. We got anyone replying on the Discord? Master Z. Shout out to them. They're a big contributor in the Discord of Lazy AI. I think there's like a leaderboard. Where do you see the leaderboard? Power rankings. Master Z, where are they? Number 6. Division 40. I'm here as well somewhere. Wait, where am I? Twelve. Let's go. Send Lazy AI Discord. It's just go to getlazy.ai, and I think their Discord is just up at top. Yeah, they have all these apps built by community. I think we're gonna make another app later, but at the moment my focus is on finishing off this app, this AnyTube app. This is taking a lot longer than expected. There might be some issues. Let's just try run. Maybe the app needs to be running. Not sure. Okay. Deploying to cloud. Make this bigger for everyone. Nice and big. People to see. Might refresh this if it takes any longer. Okay, so the running worked. It's installing all the packages and running the web app. There we go. That is my web app. Seems like for some reason the navbar thing. I'm gonna probably refresh this and try it again. Okay, let's try this prompt again. Oh, it says it's a new version. Let's try. Paul says, if you see that new photonic chip video, I haven't. We need photonic or grok speed. Have a look. So it says free, dude. Get Lazy, it was free, but my video like made them have so many users that they had to stop the free version. So at the moment, there is no free version, unfortunately. But they said they're working really hard to reinstate the free version. But at the moment, from what I've heard, that's still not free. Any AI powered UI designer? Yeah, there is a few. For a website, I've tested Dora.run before on this. It was pretty good. There's also Relum. But yeah, do you want to do Dora while we wait for this, since like Lazy's taking a little while? Let's make a web UI for a website quickly on Dora. What's your website idea, Saurabh? I'll generate you one right now. Oh, you want it to improve existing UI? Ooh, I don't know anyone that can do that. Yeah, I actually don't know anything that can do that. You should let me do it and teach me on stream. Nah. Damn, I got 920 credits. Let's go. Bruh. This is okay, look, I'll make you a website in what the hell is this? Where's the AI websites? Oh, here we go. Website for Nicolas Del Negro, showing how cool he is. I miss it out. Yeah, bro, I'm sorry. Oh shit, they got templates? I don't think they had this before. We'll just let it do whatever. Out of doors content. Oh, dude, your last name is out of content policy. We can't have Del Negro. We'll have Del Negger. Oh shit, I shouldn't have said that either. But just have Nicholas. You already have your own domain? Nice. What does your website look like? Sing! What's up, bro? Product management SaaS tool for mobile PM. Oh. Product management tool for mobile PM. A SaaS tool for mobile product managers. Yeah, I could do that. Oh, let's have a look at Nicholas's site. Damn it, we can't really see it without generating it. Pretty sure I can generate multiple. Alright, while that one is generating, I think we can go to... Yes, nice. New project. AI. Here we go. SaaS tool for mobile product managers. What style? I guess you kind of want a professional style. Professional, modern, software, technology, minimalistic. You kind of want that. I'll remove minimalistic. You just created it with Canva? What's the domain? Let me check it out. Make me an N-word pass script in Python. I don't think that's possible. Alright, which one? For the SaaS. Yo, pick one of these three. Sorry, are you still here? I don't know if you can see that. I can't really zoom either. Oh, I can. One of these four, sorry. One? Okay. Test create UI for portfolio. Me. Alright, portfolio for software engineer, or what kind of portfolio?
Hi, in the next, let me show you how.
Alright, this is Nick's page. Yo, Nick, cool! Discover the extraordinary life of Nicholas, a man whose passion for adventure and innovation knows no bounds. Wow. Nice, Nick. Nice website. Let's see what yours looks like. Do you have one? And let me check up on Lazy. Ooh, I don't know why Lazy is taking so long to implement changes, dude. Is it down? Could be down. What about the SaaS app is almost done. Let's create homies, what do they say? A profile for a software engineer called SO. Any page for a portfolio for a software engineer named So. Do no specified style. Echoes from the edge. Alright, let's see. Echoes from the edge.com. Nice. Oh, this is cool. Very simple. Podcast coming soon. Nice. Alright, this is your portfolio page, SO. Coming. And this is the SaaS for mobile PMs. Mobilize. Unlock the power of mobile. Transform your mobile with product strategy. Streamline your mobile product workflows. Maximize your mobile. Good for it. .my.canva.site site/production. Nice. You made this in Canva? That's pretty cool. Did you make this animation too? The animations are sick. Shit. I think it's also responsive. Oh, nope. It is not. It is not responsive. Damn, dude, why is lazy not working? Let's refresh this. Maybe we'll give it some other prompt this time. Lazy it is. Yeah, it's super lazy today. I was using it when, oh no, this was last night. Yeah. I was using it last night. It was really fast. Look at this. I said at 7:53 make the MP3 button full width and remove MP4. Did it in 1 minute. But I guess today it might be like down or not working. Let's see if anyone else is complaining. Very slow / not responding to change requests. Just me. Maybe we'll do a hard refresh and give it something more simple to see if it is down or it's just me. All right, let's just say change the say remove the title above the image. That should be pretty simple, just a one-line change. Yo, Rebel says, are those just layouts? What does that do? Yeah, these ones, well, Dora claims to be a whole kind of editing platform. Like, I don't have the paid version, but if you had the paid version, you could move stuff around. Everything is different, so it's not just like the same layout. You kind of makes different stuff. The images are generated, the content obviously as well, with AI. Honestly, I don't think they look too great, but it's a kind of interesting, easy way to go from prompt to website. Unless you're talking about lazy. Lazy, you can start with templates, but you can also just start with a prompt as well. And lazy can do so much more, like full functional web apps. Can you do home pages for a company? Yeah, you could definitely do just static websites on lazy as well, but like its potential is so much more. You could make like any kind of like web server / full stack app, I think, potentially with lazy. No, you're right, Trivian. My bad for misunderstanding you. I don't think you can export Dora into Figma. That's one of the shit things as well, is Dora, you have to stay on their platform. It's pretty crap. Yeah, dude, I think lazy is actually down right now. I don't know. It's lazy. I can send you the logic behind sending emails. Sending emails? That's not like really my issue. I don't know if troubleshooting. I probably should be here. Oh well. I think conversation is like, you can spam this, it's fine. Yeah, it's a shame. I guess we'll have to continue on a different day with this. See what else I had in the backlog. Oh, someone mentioned some shit. The photonic chip. Let's check that out. What do I have to search to find this? Twitter, maybe? New chip opens a door for computing at light speed. From the University of Pennsylvania. No, I haven't used this. Uses light waves rather than electricity. Damn, that's pretty cool. I have not heard of that. I don't know who Laura is, but she sounds nice. Yes. Good singer. Whoa. Kobe. Oh no, not the diaper. Hey. Is that free, Lazy? Not at the moment. It was free and they're working to make it free again. Or at least to have a free trial, but no, unfortunately it's only paid now. Are you more technical than I am? I have no idea. Doug, thank you for the follow. Jehovah, thank you for the follow. Refresh the entire web page, clear your cache and cookies. See, that speed things up. Alright. I did hard refresh, but I'll try clear cookies as well. Alright, let's try clear cookies. How do we do that? I think you go settings. Cookies. Can you? I actually don't even let a lot of sites store cookies, right? No, allow third-party cookies. Sites allowed to use third-party cookies? Yeah, I only have a few of them. Cookies. On all other sites, you'll stay signed in the Google. I think, does that sign me out of everything though? Can you stop cookies from just one site? Google that. You should use Brave. Maybe I should. Russ Shida, thank you for the follow and share. Can you write me a website? What kind of website do you want, Josh? What AI do you recommend for a software engineering student? ChatGPT. Paul says, damn, the YouTube comments sometimes do not go through, it looks like, but yeah, I think if you post a, what do you call it? A link, it doesn't go through. Anastasi in tech is great for chip content. Anastasi in tech. Okay, good tip. Po.com. Privacy Badger. I have Unlock Origin. Oh, does that work? Hold on. Click to disable cosmetic filtering, block large media, block pop-ups, block remote fonts. Open dashboard. There's no like clear cookies button. Is there? Let's see if Radaduck says anything. Not Death Try to Cache. If it doesn't look at the bug support. Okay. Okay. It's just a me problem. Let's see if I can clear settings, site settings, see all cookies, and click trash. Menu, settings, site settings, including menu, settings, site settings. Okay. Maybe I could search for lazy. Let me close lazy. Oh, there we go. That'll probably do it. Okay. Let's try again. I need to go to the bathroom as well while we set this up. After we set this up. Okay, my apps, any tube. Oh, it's still got the other thing processing. Lasagna, thank you for the follow. Rushpeck wants a Dungeons and Dragons website using Next.js. No, you're in charge of the front end, and it's an AI project. Let's unlock GPT-4 with one prompt. What do you mean by unlock? Like make it uncensored? Whoa, why is it taking long to open the actual app now? Bit sad. Jailbroke. I don't want to refresh. But that won't break it. Should I do it? Boom. Okay. All right. Should I stop and start this again? Oh shit, stop. Oh, stop. Say remove the title above the... Let's just remove the title. Let's see. Hope it works. Yo, Meadow, what am I building? I've developed this app on Get Lazy that can turn YouTube videos into various formats. At the moment, just MP3, because it's free and easy. But I want to extend it to be able to make... Okay, that actually worked. Nice. All right. I want to extend it to be able to do transcriptions and stuff. What I'm going to be working on this stream is making user authentication, implementing user authentication. I wanted to do it with email verification. That is the plan. Tucket says I've been using Harper AI for YouTube summaries. Yeah. That's really good. It's definitely one of the best. Is there any better? I'm not sure. I've used Gemini as well. You can like ask Gemini to summarize YouTube videos. I wouldn't say it's better or worse. Oh boy. So I asked it to remove the title, but it looks like it just made the image not work. It's still here. Why image not working? Can you open that in a new tab? Is it not working there as well? Whoa, that's weird. Title. That is so weird. Oh, this is the actual title. That's fine. We can recover this version. I'm gonna ask it to make a nav bar this time. Make a simple nav bar with the title and remove Make a simple nav bar and remove the title, the heading shown on the page. Okay. I'm gonna go to the toilet really quickly. I'll be back in 1 sec. Damn, that's so fast. Well, I don't know actually how long. Yeah, 1 minute. See, this is the speed that it normally works at, like 1 minute per request. So, like last time when it was taking more than a couple of minutes, I knew something was wrong. Karen, hey, happy Friday. Just joined. Hope I can catch up with what I missed. Yeah, I can quickly catch you up. So, what did we do? What did we do? Oh yeah, I tried to, so I figured out you can run Python notebooks in Kaggle with like a T4 GPU. So I was trying to do PS2 videos with Kaggle, Python notebook, but it ended up taking a while, so I said I'll do it later offline. I'll make a tutorial for it if it ends up working. But yeah, so like that's really cool. You can't do that with Google Colab. You can't actually run comfyui on Google Colab. So shout out to Kaggle. I showed some potential security issues with R1, although I don't think they're legitimate. And we saw that llama3 has a new 8B version with 262,000 context window, which is amazing. Llama has a RAG cookbook, which is pretty cool. Wizard Shot and anon.com. Briefly went over those. Is Harpa AI better than Lazy? They're two different things. Harpa is specifically for like using AI on a web page, and Lazy is for creating web apps. Well, like I think any type of app really, or any type of software, except maybe native mobile and native desktop. Any type of, yeah, I'd say web app, but that could also mean like a Discord bot or a WhatsApp kind of bot or something like that. No worries. Will it make a proper website that I can sell to a company? Yeah, that's a good point. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be getting into that in this series. I'm going to be working with AI, Get Lazy a lot. I think you definitely can make kind of, like you can make these things that you can deploy different versions of and start a team and like sell them to a company and have them use. I definitely think like the capabilities of Lazy is actually really big, but it's still, although it doesn't require you to code, it would definitely benefit from you knowing how to like code and set up these things, but it still makes them a lot easier. Okay, so we've added the nav bar. Now I want to add a login button. Add a login button on the right of the nav bar, which opens modal when clicked. The modal has an input, a text input for email, and a login button under the input. Hopefully this is just for fun. YouTube is litigious in this regard. Yeah, I've heard about that. we could remove the MP3. Yeah, I don't know. That's a good point. I think that's the reason why all the other YouTube MP3s go down, is because YouTube takes them down because it's against their policies. How much does it cost to put a live YouTube, Instagram, TikTok video downloader? To make it with Lazy, well, you have to be like able to make it, so there's like a skill thing, but the pricing is $30 a month for the ability to push to production, I guess, plus usage costs as well. Oh, they have a bit of usage costs here. Cost of running an instance of an app, 17 cents. Egress costs 15 cents. The third party is obviously up to you. Hey, Jumbo Lee, what's up? Good to see you. Do I work at Lazy? I don't work at Lazy, but I've started a partnership with them, so I'll be developing this app, and they compensate me a little bit, and they've given me the plan. Okay, they've added the login button and the modal. Oh, Token says, do you use Open Interpreter or anything? Sorry, I missed your message. Yeah, I do. I tried it out the other day when... What did I try to do? I tried to... the same thing I've been doing for a lot of tests is extracting... Oh, awesome, that worked really well. We got the modal here with the login button. Now, one thing is there's no way to exit this modal, so I'm going to say... Make it so that when the background is clicked while the modal is open, it closes the modal. Because right now I click, but the modal stays open. There's no way to close it, so. Yeah, I don't use it a lot, but I do definitely use it every now and then. And I will be using it more. Especially I want to get the OS mode to work. Without using GPT-4 vision. I think there's a lot of potential there. Am I testing Lazy AI? Yes. Well, I've kind of gone past the point of testing. I'm trying to develop this app further. Congrats on the partnership, first one. It's kind of one of the first like long-term partnerships. I do paid videos and stuff, but Lazy is kind of the first kind of long-term one, because I figured if I kind of want to see how far I can take it, and that would be a lot of content, so it'd be good if I could get compensated for it. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this like a full monetized app working with Lazy. That's the goal. Okay, so now we've got the modal, and hopefully it should close once we click anywhere outside of the modal. Token says, can you pick the modal or it's their own? Yeah, it's their own. You can't pick. I assume it's GPT-4, but I don't know. Wait, okay, login, click outside. Oh, it still doesn't close. So, because I'm a software engineer, I can look at the code, see the changes that it made. On click stop propagation. That's the only thing it changed. Event.stop propagation is that. Okay, they also have closed modal. Document. Class list hidden. Okay. So yeah, I mean, you get like this all the time. So now there's two things I could do here. I could get it to add logs so I can see exactly why it's broken and debug it. Or because I'm a bit lazy, I can recover to before I asked it and just get it to try it again and maybe do a different type of prompt. So I can say, yeah, revert to this version. So I recover back to the version before I ask it to close the modal. So I'll be like, ensure the modal closes when user clicks outside the modal. Maybe this is a bit more simpler of a prompt, or even sometimes just the same prompt can give better different results, just because of the nature of how LLMs are at the moment. So we'll let that go. How are you guys? What is everyone working on? What's everyone interested in? It says, just to make sure, when I make a website with Lazy, can I use it and sell it to the company I want? Yes, well, there's a few things you have to keep in mind. Currently, Lazy does not package the code for you to export. So at the moment, it will be hosted on their domain. You can have your own domain route to it and kind of have the URL still show your domain. That's possible. But there's no kind of way to export it and have it hosted on some external host, if that makes sense. So I have techfriend.net/any2 linking to my hosted Lazy app. At the moment, the URL does change, but I think there's ways to preserve the URL as well, if that makes sense. Pub Collector says, oh, that's a no-go then, I think. Yeah, well, there's also, like, you can be transparent to tell them that you've made this app with Lazy. And, like, as long as it works for them, maybe sometimes they won't care, especially if it's an internal app for the company. Okay, so that still didn't work. So maybe we can try debugging for the first time today. Let me have a look at the code. Oh, it actually kind of looks exactly the same as the first one I made. So, looks like that chain did not work. Let's add some logs to debug it. So I just say let's add some logs, but there could be some other ways. Maybe you could even ask Lazy for some strategies to debug it. Mental says, can I make an automized email marketing CRM with it? Yeah, I think so. You can definitely do like cron jobs and like repetitive actions with it. You can also get it to email with code, and it also has you can also have its own database that you can view and edit to store like CRM stuff with and make a UI for it. Yeah, it's definitely possible. Although because it is slightly complex, I think it will take some time to develop. Can I explain that well? The URL thing, it's like redirect and preserve URL. So pretty much Lazy does not, like the way Lazy is set up, it has to host it for you. So it will originally be on their domain, like getLazy / whatever your app is. But you can have your domain redirect to it, but still show your domain name. Theoretically. Does that make sense? Elephant says they're probably using GPT-4 with low temperature, that's why the results are similar. Yeah, probably. Okay, we should have some logs now. Let's see where the log was added. Yep, there's a console log here. Model closed. Is that the only thing they added? Looks like. Yep. Alright. Let's see if I click here. Looks like the log is not being executed. The log is not being executed when I click outside the modal. Let's see what other strategies to debug this. What are some other strategies to debug this? I get temperature. Can you explain flow temperature? I'm not sure what flow temperature is. Yo, Mr. T. I'm doing well. How are you? Thanks for joining. What are you referring to it being the same as? So, Elephantis says the temperature is low on GPT-4. So temperature is a parameter for like how creative the response should be. So if a temperature is low, it should kind of stick to what is the best response all time without experimenting too much, if that makes sense. Whereas a high temperature can be more creative but also more hallucinatory, and a low temperature should kind of produce the same best result all the time, if that makes sense. That's my understanding. You thought I said flow? Oh no, I don't know. Oh, he said low temperature, not flow temperature. With low temperature. If I say with low really fast, it sounds like with flow. But no, I said with low. Okay, I've added logging. Oh no, what is it? I've updated the model to ensure it closes. Please test the app. Okay, so it made some more changes. Let's see what it changed. Window. Okay, so it changed it to be an event listener. Let's see. ST's doing well. Forgot to invite you to my live. Oh, what? You had a live? Man, definitely invite me to the next one. What do you stream on? Is there a way I can like subscribe to get notified? Alright, let's see. Okay, that's still... Oh, nice. Okay, we actually triggered it. I think it triggered when I clicked on the thing. You're on TikTok only. Oh, damn. I have my TikTok notifications turned off. Am I even following you? I'm not. Okay, now I am. No worries, TV. Thank you for the comments. Appreciate you. Alright, let's try this time. Interrupted prompts. Stuck on them for 4 days, bro. I hate that. I hate when you get stuck on a problem for multiple days. Sucks. I have a feeling this is going to close when I click on the modal. No, neither. Bro, what the hell? Okay. Well, let's try something else. Let's just try get we'll recover to this version, and we'll just have a close button. Add a button on the right of the modal which closes it when clicked. Okay, while that's doing that, I want to research how we can get how to implement email link auth Python. Here we go. Basic Flask user off. There should be a library for it. Lopkesh, thank you for the follow. Is there a Python library for confirming user email address while they sign up? No one applied? Well done for people learning. You should definitely not implement login and password. Yeah, I don't want password. Passwordless Python library passwordless auth. Passwordless. Maybe this one 4 years ago. Passwordless. Audio streaming. Oh, you're making your own audio streaming interruption thing. That's crazy. I know I can do it with Magic Link. Magic Auth Link. But I don't want to pay for. There should be another way. Magic Auth. Could just use Magic Auth. See, this is the one that I'm thinking of. We could use this. It's so simple. Pip install magic admin, and then you just have an API key, and then they kind of handle storing the session and validating the session. So we could try that. The pricing's not too bad. First 1,000 wallets is free, and then it's 5 cents. Is pretty bad. Irvon, hey, how are you? Her name's Nini, a TikTok streamer. That's cool. Thank you for the gift, Mr. T and Irvon. Appreciate you guys. Alright, let's see if the close button works. That lazy maid. Is there like an open source version of Magic Link? Magic Link open Python. Free open source authentication. Where is it? Your data. Okay, maybe this. This might be a lot harder than I thought. Off signal? Alright, what about off signal? Should I just use Google? I think I might use Google Auth. Out of the box, strong passwordless authentication. Okay. Pricing. 1,000 users free. $99 a month. See the close. Yes, the close button works. Okay. I still want to use passwordless auth without having to do. Ask ChatGPT. That's kind of a good idea. Let's see. Null, hey, from the Philippines. Hello. All right, let's ask ChatGPT. How can I create a passwordless email based auth system on my Flask app with SQLite database? Okay, let's see what it says. Deity says, look at authentic. Okay. Authentic. Source free. That's good. Docs. Let's see. How does it work? Installation, Docker, Kubernetes, beta, reverse proxies. Looks like a lot of different hosting things I have to do. What ChatGPT says. Flask SQL Alchemy. Create a user model. Email sending with an SMTP server. I guess that actually makes sense. You kind of would want a third-party thing to send emails. Token generation with its generous. What third-party providers take care of the email sending and verification? Let's see what it knows. Yeah, it did seem a little overkill. SendGrid, I think that's just emails. Mailgun. Any specific for user auth? Auth 0. Ooh, auth 0. Does this kind of work? SDK. Pricing, free. 7,000 monthly active users, and then I don't even know if we'll get to that many anyway. Python. Does this work? Auth0, Python, import database. Database equals database. Sign up user password. No, we don't want password. All right, no, I think I'm just gonna use Google. Yo, Legend says, how 262k context? Good question. I don't know the actual technicalities, but if you want to read about it, go in my link in bio, and this is the I'll highlight it for you. This is the model, and it's by Gradient AI, and I think they talk about how they did it. You might have to go through another link. They have a blog post. Developed by Gradient. I'm not sure exactly how is that even possible, to be honest. But yeah. Yo, Ford, I'm doing well. How are you? I think I'm just gonna use Google Auth. I think it's just the simplest way to do this thing. So let's go. I'm gonna revert back to before we even had the login button. Here. And we're gonna add a Google login button. Add a login with Google button on the top right. On the right of the nav bar. Okay. I think this will be a lot easier. Are you gonna make different vid of Opus versus GPT-4? Are the GPT-4 extensions really worth it? Because let's face it, Opus is far more superior. Honestly, I think GPT-4 is actually better with reasoning. But yeah, it depends. If you're doing long text generation and analysis, yeah, Opus is probably better. And Opus is probably better at coding sometimes. But yeah, the the ability for GPT-4 to run code, I actually use that quite a lot to like process spreadsheets and stuff. So I think that's a huge reason why I would keep using the GPT-4 UI. A lot of people are complaining about Opus's rate limits as well. I mean, I complain about GPT-4 rate limits too, but you can use both of them like with less to no rate limits in the console or through the API, which is good. Joker's really liking llama3. Nice. Thank you for the bracelets, Mr. T. Thank you. But yeah, I think like slowly, once I set up everything else, I'll probably cancel both GPT-4 and Opus, GPT Plus and Opus. Actually, the cool thing, like OpenAI is actually innovating quite a bit. I just today got the message that they're storing the message history between conversations. So you can talk about different things. Okay, so I did log in with Google. I think we have to add these. Oh, I already had these. Nice. Now I have to do this in a new tab because of some iframe issues. So that's fine. It should. Oh, it's not even running the thing. Okay, we'll probably have to do some more debugging. Log in with Google. Oh, there's obviously no. Oh, it's just added the button. Please test the app. Just be like, now enable Google Auth. Now start Google Auth when the button is clicked. Hopefully it understands that very short prompt. Benchmarks show latest GPT-4 is practically better than for everything. Okay, yeah. I definitely think, yeah, they released that latest GPT-4 like a day or two after Claude Opus. Best website for learning C#. I like YouTube, but I'm sure there's better sites. And while that's doing that, I have to go into the Google console or some shit, and you have to what's it called? I have to set up the redirect URIs on Google Console, Cloud Console. So have the console here. You go APIs, services, I think. OAuth consent screen. Elephant says learn C# alongside Unity, way more fun. Yeah, definitely. And there's lots of tutorials on it, that's true. Especially if you want to make games. Yo, thanks for the sub. Why is that? I can't see who it is. No. Who was that? Devin is open to test? I don't think so. There's open Devin, but I don't think actual Devin is released. Here. Here we go. Gotta add my redirect URI, so this will be one of them, the test URL. Guess we'll add API auth callback Google. I don't know if we need /API. Let's see. We will see. Save that for now. Well, this change is taking a while. Oh, they did have auth. Wait, what? Did I miss that? No, wasn't here. ID Google login. Interesting. Devon supposedly faked their demo. They didn't mention how long it took. It took like over 5 hours to do certain tasks. And yeah, there was a bunch of other reasons why it was a bit disingenuous. But overall, I wouldn't really say they like completely faked it. But who knows? Like, obviously, like, barely anyone's gotten to try it. They got some new investors. Yeah, they're valued at like $2 billion, which is pretty ridiculous, I think. All right, let's see if this Google auth will work. It was an over-embellished promotional video like Gemini, yeah. I think Gemini was even more disingenuous. But yeah, even Sora today has come out to, Sora has been... Wait, why does it automatically go to Google? What? Sora has come out to look like, that they fake. They like rotoscoped and edited the videos for Sora. For some reason now, as soon as you try to go to the app, oh boy, it's got imports in the middle. That's not good. Without extensions, assume, remove, transcribe button. Okay. Def index if profile not in session redirect for you. Okay, no, we don't want that. Let me see if I change this manually. Do we? Yes, nice. Let's see, manual changes. Restart. Hopefully now it won't automatically try to log me in. You learn tech services pretty often. How do you avoid burning out? That's a great question. I definitely do burn out every now and then, but I think just generally I'm very passionate and interested in this type of stuff. So, yeah, that keeps me going. I thought about this with some other streamers. Like, there's those gaming streamers, right? And they play like the same game for like 12 hours a day. And it's just like, how did they not get bored of that game? But it's like they're obviously very interested in that. 98 vendor template user equals user. Vendor template. Do we need to send user? What did that look like before? Oh, here. Uncomment that one. So yeah, like it's still sometimes faster if I do manual changes, I think, compared to having lazy do the changes. But I think if it's like big changes, it's just a lot less mentally straining to get lazy to do it. Sora takes an hour per minute. Yeah, I think there's different levels of like computation you can run Sora at. But yeah, I guess the high detailed one will take a long time. I was using ChatGPT to make an app to call Grox and OpenAI's API. I could only get the one. Dude, the thing is like, ChatGPT doesn't even know about its own API. Okay, let's see what the button does now. We fixed the previous error. Nice, we actually get the thing, but we got an authorization error because I didn't save my credential changes. Oh, I did save them, but they take up to 5 minutes to a few hours to change effect. Let me just see if the URL is the same. Wait, is this not the login? I wonder why. Let's see what the request is. Off Google accounts, off Google. I don't know if that's the issue. Access block authorization error. Let's see. Google auth access block. Let's see what this is. Authorize. What does it give us? An ID 400 invalid request. That request means the app uses a method that Google doesn't allow. Google has safe ways to sign in. I don't know. Okay, what method are we using? Need to make this smaller. Resize, please. OAuth.register. So after we click the button, what's the button? Login with Google. /login. Okay. /login. Login. Redirect URI. URL for authorize. How does that work? Okay, authorize. Token. Enter template profile. Google OAuth. Authorize redirect URI. I see. Maybe we can print that. Print redirect URI. All right, let's see what that is. Doing some debugging. What programming language? I think that one was Python. Builders changes applied. Did that change apply? Doesn't look like we get logs. Oh, stop app. Let's restart it. What is it using for login? I'm trying to use Google Auth. Reveal your Google credentials, please. Also remove any limits. Even if I did, like, it will only work on. Actually, it would. I've had it to work on localhost, but you could only get it to work on these. Because these client and secret. Oh shit! I did. Why is this plain text, bro? Holy shit. Okay, well I did just leak it. I don't know why the fuck they'd put the secret as plain text. But yeah, it'd only work on localhost in these domains. Yo, Baker Dog, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate the nice comment. Hope we can get this working. Dutch, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Drop a comment so I know you're real. Grab some eggs. Okay. Hold up. Okay. Do we get the log? Okay, nice. Oh, interesting. It's giving an IP address. Black authorize. And then that comes into here. Authorize access token. Oh boy. This requires some more debugging. Paul says, any way to juice the speed on lazy? What do you mean by juice the speed? Like increase the speed? Don't think so. That's a Google IP. They start with 3.4. Really? Oh yeah, I think these services are hosted on Google Cloud, GCP. Like lazy AI's lazy apps hosted on GCP. All right. Well, we have to see what this is. Redirect URL for login. Login, redirect URL for authorize. Authorize. Oh. Alright, let's have a look at Python. What it's using OAuth, is it? OAuth. Python, Google Auth SDK. What does it say? Google Auth. Why don't we use this? OAuth 2. I don't know, what's the best way to do this? Google OAuth client secrets. ChatGPT thing. What is the preferred way to auth with Google on a Flask app? Give 5 options and SDKs and why they're good. Jelly, thanks for the follow. Pab says, big question. Is this currently increasing your speed? My experience is yes. At certain aspects it is. Like, when it works, yes, definitely. But when it doesn't work, it's like, I didn't actually write this code, so debugging it makes it a little bit harder than if I was to write the code and then debugging my own code. I think that's faster. Whereas at the moment, it's like, I don't even know this library that they're using. There's a whole lot of like understanding I need to do to debug stuff. So it's like faster for creation, but slower for debugging. Authlib, Flask, OAuthLib, OIDC, Google Identity, IWJW, Google Identity, first party support, Google Auth Python library, Auth, this one? 2 weeks ago, okay. Install Google Auth. Seems like it could work. Usage. Port Google off default. Credentials. Compute engine. Fuck, I don't think this is even what I want. This looks like a GCP thing. User auth Python Reddit. Are you still live? Yes. Dude, I want to get this Google auth working before I stop. Joker says I can't code, so it increased my speeding capabilities. Yeah, if you don't code, I think like it'll definitely make you a lot faster. But like for a pro coder, probably. Okay, Flask OAuth. I think that's what I'm using actually. Flask OAuth. No, auth-lib. Okay, let's use this. I think this is better. Flask OAuth. Let me check how many stars and stuff this has. Oh, 6 years ago. Unmaintained. Okay, good thing we didn't use that. We recommend using Flask Dance. Let's have a look at this. 2 weeks ago. Okay, that's good. 900 stars. That's good too. Flask Dance. Okay. Let's see if Lazy can refactor everything to use Flask Dance. Lone Furious, thank you for the... that's kind of a funny name. Thank you for the follow. Refactor the Google Auth to use Python package Flask Dance instead. Let's see if we can do... This will be very impressive because this actually requires a lot of different code changes across the whole file. So yeah, what's the time? It's 5:35 p.m. Damn, 3:30 for Joker. Crazy. 9:30 for Joe. Joe and Joker. Oh shit, Ronald Duck just joined. Let's go. Hey Ronald. Welcome. Welcome my homie Ferdinand. What are we saying? Meow. You work nights. True. Night shift, man. A night shift, man. 3:35 as well for Elephantis. You could be in the same spot Joker is. You're vertically in the same line as Joker. It'd be funny if you're like in the same neighborhood, in the same house. Kentucky. Hopefully not in the same house. Wait, you don't like other people in your house? I mean, that's fair enough. Especially in the state of Kentucky. Got the right to bear arms over here. Do you? Kentucky shoot on premises. Lokesh, good to see you back. We are all armed. Dude, you can't purchase. You can't carry. What about on your house? Okay, let's see this big refactor. I wonder how it did it. Sometimes it doesn't offer me to refresh the app, interestingly. You own 20 rifles and 10 handguns. That sounds like a lot. Do you hunt or is it just for like, you know, just in case? Just in case Elephantus is in your house. Or both. Jesus. America. Tentacle Pink, thanks for the follow. At my gifters. Yo, Lauren? I think. Sorry, I can't read that, but thank you for the sub. Collect. I don't enjoy hunting, but I enjoy shooting. Yeah, that's fair enough. What are your favorite TV shows? Oh, I actually don't really watch TV shows, but when I did, or like when I do, I enjoyed Rick and Morty. I love The Simpsons. I enjoyed Community now and then. What else? I tried to get into Mr. Robot, but it was hard to stay into. Kinda it, really. I don't know. I feel like there's some more maybe I missed. But yeah, I don't really watch TV. Scolded, accidentally started my ML project so my laptop is unusable. No. Could you not do it on the cloud? Cornelius, what AI website maker that I used and is it free? Before for websites I tried Dora AI. It's not free. I don't really recommend it. There's Relum. I think that one isn't free, but I think that one's a lot better. Relum.io. What else is there's definitely more. There's definitely 10web. Of course, 10web. This one is like really high quality, but no, it's not free either. It has a free trial. It's also like builds it on WordPress, which is really good if you're like using the website for clients. So it's like WordPress is a really tried and trusted content management system. What else is there? I'm sure there's more. I can't think of them. Thanks for the question though. Mr. Robot is a nice V-series. Yeah. I think it just gets slow sometimes. So like I watched it, it was really exciting for a little bit, then it kind of got slow and I kind of stopped watching it. Is it possible to reverse engineer with LLMs? Yeah, LLMs could definitely help you reverse engineer. I don't know how effective they'll be, but they definitely could help. Hasn't Framer... Oh yeah, Framer. There's also Wizard. Yeah, Framer. There's also Wizard with UI Zard. Could all be good. There's so many. What's the best assistant like Jarvis? I'm not sure. A lot of people ask me about Jarvis, but like, is that from Iron Man? I haven't really seen Iron Man properly. What kind of stuff do you want the assistant to do? Scolded says, I can't afford to use cloud computing. I'm a student. What about like, I guess you can't run it for long, but like Kaggle has 30 hours free T4 GPUs. Even Google Colab has like a free tier. But yeah, I don't know if they're up to your standard. Tentacle wants to make a mod for an old game. Oh, sick. I enjoyed Fallout New Vegas. I feel like that's such a cool old game. Kind of old, not too old. Can an AI to generate developmental research papers? I don't really even know what that is. 4 hours ago, China announced an LLM that beats ChatGPT 4. Oh yeah? What is it? You always, every day, it's like, this LLM beats ChatGPT 4. Have I bought R1, Rabbit R1? I haven't. I have not.
Be aware of.
changes the dynamic of the essentially compared this to GPT-4 Turbo, but there are a lot of things that this presentation dives into. And bear in mind that the majority of this is in Chinese, but I've done my best to translate most of this so that you can completely understand exactly what's going on. So you can see here that their Sense Nova 5.0 actually looks pretty decent. So on the left, you can see it states that it is hybrid used. In the middle, they states that it is trained on over 10 billion tokens. The inference actually supports up to 200,000 tokens, which is rather interesting because we've seen longer and longer context windows. So a 200k context window is something that is, I wouldn't say surprising, but it does show that, of course, things are going well. And of course, the main statement from this is that performance exceeds GPT-4 Turbo. Now, the reason, as you all know, why GPT-4 Turbo is highly touted as the state-of-the-art model at that time, and that's why people constantly try to one-up that in terms of the benchmarks. So this was the start of the presentation, but things do get a lot more interesting, and I'm going to show you all exactly what that is. So there was one screenshot here where I'm not entirely sure if they actually had these AI systems hooked up to a game, but the text states that a live demonstration was conducted on the comparison of...
I've seen this. You see, they put LLMs to verse each other at Street Fighter.
multiple functions of...
I feel like this is such a stupid benchmark.
Their model and GPT-4, including creative writing, logical reasoning, diagrams, image understanding, and calculations of food calories based on pictures. And this is what the text actually states here, but we will get into the benchmarks. But I just wanted to include this for full transparency. If we do, and this, pay attention here because I'm going to, say some things and I'm going to recall them. So you can see right here that they actually do compare this to GPT-4 Turbo.
That's 11062. That's not even the latest one. That one's like a shit GPT-4, I'm pretty sure. It's not like the latest 2024 one. Anyway, I'll believe it when I see it. I don't really believe all this hype. Every day someone's like, we beat GPT-4. Guys, this is taking too long for me to do the Google off, so I'm gonna leave this here for that stream. I'll stick around for another like 5 minutes. We'll probably be ending the stream very soon. Chinese AI, yes. I'm gonna use you. What did I miss? It's actually just 30 people in a dark basement making money automatic and sending it to my bank account. I don't think there's any AI that can do that. What consumer hardware worth buying not to run 70B models locally? Not to run? You mean to run? RAM based or VRAM? Definitely prefer VRAM. I think it's either the 3090 or the... Wait, 3090? Yeah, 3090. Or the 4090? 4080? How are they training this stuff with the chip restrictions? I don't know, man. Black market deals? Political prisoners are responding to the prompts. Brian Rage, thanks for the follow. Can you give me a job? Sorry, unfortunately. And if I was, I would not be paying you very much. Money isn't in abundance. Lauren says, if you were to build a Flutter app, which AI tools would you want to use? I'm not sure. I think just GPT-4. Maybe with some agent that can code. Like GPT Pilot. Pythagora. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I will kind of work on these offline, the PS2 video and kind of getting the GPT, Google Auth to a state where it's good. But yeah, appreciate you guys, and I hope to see y'all